Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is an English for grade 5. And as you know that we are learning our unit number 12 and its title is Over-the-Counter Medicines. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 7, also we learn about reading and comprehension, and its second part we will clear. And before in English for grade 5 and unit number 11, my dear students, already we have learned produce in speech and practice appropriate patterns of rhythm, stress and intonation of the English language while listening to stories and poems read aloud in class. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Today we are going to learn further. Apply punctuation rules to assist in developing accuracy and fluency through reading aloud. Write sentences of your own in using correct capitalization, punctuation and spelling. So today we will cover up this essay. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah number 8, verse number 33, and Allah would not punish them while they seek forgiveness. My dear students, last day also we have covered this verse, that this is a great message that when someone is seeking forgiveness, so we should forgive them, because Allah Almighty is also saying us clearly, so when we do something wrong, so we should seek forgiveness and Allah Almighty will forgive us, okay, and He will not punish us at all. Got it, my dear students? Through this verse we are getting a message that we should develop habit in our personality to forgive others. Is it clear? So what you have to do in pre-reading activity, discuss with your classmates about this unit in group activity. My dear students, you will discuss with your classmate that what is in this unit. Pause the video and share their activity, share these instructions in your class. Welcome back. Good job, my dear students. I hope you have done it and you have got that what is inside the remaining text. So today we will cover up. So let's start that. Okay, on page number 98, third paragraph we are going to start, my dear students. Over-the-counter medicines can still carry risk even though they do not require a prescription. There is the possibility of a side effects or harm due to excessive dose. One thing these OTC drugs all have in common is a label. It is important to read the label carefully before you take any medicine. It has important information on it. My dear students, this passage is clearly giving us message that even we are using over-the-counter medicines, so we should be careful. We have to read the labels. First, we have to read the labels, that which type of information is being delivered by these labels, because sometimes such type of medicines can give us at high risk. Okay, so we should be careful because it's necessary to read the labels before using any OTC. Question is for you, why it is important to read the labels on medicines? Yes, why it is important? Yes, you're right. Good job. Because it is important, otherwise these medicines will get us on high risk if we will not read the information. Got it? Okay, next is, most medicines should be kept at room temperature and away from sunlight. Some must be kept in refrigerator. We should check with our pharmacist or doctor if we are not sure. Always make sure all medicines are stored safely and out of the reach of the younger brothers, sisters and pet. Okay, my dear students. So where we have to keep medicine, we have to keep these medicines out of reach of younger brothers, children and even our pets, because it will be harmful for you. We should keep them in refrigerator or out of reach of students or children. Okay, so why should we keep medicines away from children? Good, because it will be dangerous for them. So let's perform an activity. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do, you have to get students in pairs, say them to read the text again with accuracy and fluency in the class. So you have to read the text with fluency and accuracy in the class. I am waiting for you. Pause the video and perform this activity in your class. Welcome back. Excellent job. You have doing good. well. So what's your classwork now? Individually on page number 99, question number 1, part D and E you have to do in your notebook, and question number 3 you have to fill, you have to do on your book. So pause the video and perform this activity individually in your class. Welcome back, my dear students. Excellent job. So what's our homework for today? You have to do question number 2 given in book, page number 99 in your notebooks. You have to do this question in your notebook. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get and provide it to your students, and they will read these instructions with fluency and accuracy. Okay. So what we have learned today? Today we learned about how we can read the text with accuracy and fluency, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students and my dear teachers, I hope today you have got that how we can read different text with actual accuracy while using the punctuation marks, that where we have to pause, where we have to get short break. Okay, so my dear students, so tomorrow with a new lecture, we'll meet soon inshallah. Till that time, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.